is now clear to us that climate change presents serious challenges to food security and economic recovery. The flooding, mudslides, and landslides that the country has experienced in the past 6 months may have slowed us up a little. However, the effects of global warming have not killed our resolve to become food secure and grow economically. Instead, climate-related risks and hazards have threatened our determination to increase investment in climate action and to build resilience against disruptive forces of nature. The government will continue to champion afforestation and the restoration of degraded landscapes and mobilize Kenyans to plant trees throughout the Republic to restore the environment and our biodiversity. We encourage increased use of climate-smart